What's up guys, this is Unknown from Createch, and in this video, I'm going to be unboxing Cellcore ActFit A3 Pro smartwatch. Now this is available at $2,949 and it comes in black and blue colors, and we have it in black color. Now Cellcore has been in the business for the last decade and they have been making feature phones. Now this is their entry into the smart wearables and even into the audio segment. Now the smartwatches lineup is starting at 2,399 rupees, and the other launches along with this are neckband earphones and smartwatches. Now there are two neckband earphones, NK1 and NK2, and there are three smartwatches, ActFit A2, ActFit A1 Pro and ActFit A3 Pro, which is the one we have right now. Now without further ado, let's start unboxing. Now here's the box. It looks like a regular watch box. It says Cellcore ActFit A3 Pro on top. On the side it says Serving India Proudly, and there is branding, and it says Strap on to be fit. On the other side it has few highlights like SpO2, 24-hour dynamic heart rate, IP68 waterproof, etc. On the bottom it has pricing and other information. Now let's unbox this. First we get the smartwatch on a cushion. Let's put that aside. Next there is the charging dock. Then there is documentation, a products catalog, a warranty card with QR code and a user manual. Now let's put all of this aside and come back to the watch. Let me remove the sticker. And this is how the watch screen looks like. Now let's have physical overview. This is a round dial, and there is only one button on the side. On the back there are sensors and some other information. These are how the straps look like. It is very simple design, and these are silicone straps. And there is slight texture on the straps. There's also branding on the buckle. Now here are all the specifications. It comes with 1.28-inch IPS True Color screen, and it has a round dial. And there is slight design around the dial. It also has real-time health monitoring features like heart rate sensor, SpO2 monitor, to track blood oxygen levels, and daily activity tracker with multi-sports modes, up to 15 sports modes. It also has customizable watch faces, and it can receive all notifications. It also has IP68 dust, splash and sweat resistance. So you can definitely use it for your workouts and even in slight rain. Now it comes with changeable straps, it has Bluetooth 5.0, and it has 7 to 10 days normal usage time, with up to 10 days standby. Now let me turn this on. This is how the UI looks like. This is the watch face. You can swipe right for messages, swipe left for menu, swipe down for more options and settings, swipe up for health apps, weather and music controls. Now this is how it looks on the hand. Now coming to the pairing process, just download the app Cellcore ActFit from App Store or Play Store. Now once you open the app and set it up, you can go to device section and select add device. Now it will show you the available devices. Tap on A3 Pro and that's it. It will be paired. Now let's look at the app interface. It has different sections like status. In this you can look at the data at glance. You can check step tracking, workout, heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen levels. And then there is workout section. In this you can start the workout and it will track your exercises. Next we get device section, in which you can set background permissions. You have watch faces, call reminder, app alerts, alarm, sedentary reminder, etc. You can even remove the device. Next there is profile section. You can edit your profile here and there are some more options. You can also log out. Now let's look at the review. It has a good build quality and the rubber straps have pretty good texture. The round dial looks pretty good and a display of this size is great. It just looks like a real watch. Now these are changeable straps. As there are pins on the back, it becomes easy to change straps, which is pretty good. These straps are made of silicone material and they feel comfortable and light, so you won't have any problem with them as they're smooth on the skin. Now this is a closer look at the button. You can press it to lock and unlock the screen. Coming to the usage, I have used this watch for a while and it was a good experience. I wore it to sleep and the sleep tracking works nicely. Now you can check all the stats. In the watch you can see basic overview, you can see steps, heart rate, sleep hours, but you can get an in-depth information from the app. You can see step tracking, in which you can check previous day's data as well, or even a whole week's data at glance. It is similar for heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking and more. Now coming back to the charger, this is how it looks like. This is the charging dock. These are the charging pins. It has magnetic mechanism, so it will be easy to attach and detach. And these are the charging pins on the back of the watch. Now this is how it looks like while charging. As for battery life, it gives good usage. It lasts for 5 to 6 days at full charge. I used it with all features turned on, but it can also give you a week-long battery depending on your usage. so battery life is pretty good. As for charging speeds, it gives 30% in 10 minutes, so you can get up to 90% in half an hour, which is great. Now that's been the Cellcore ActFit A3 Pro smartwatch. It gives a pretty good performance. Sleep, SpO2, heart rate monitoring and sleep tracking all are done pretty well. The simple design looks good, and that round dial makes it look like a regular watch. Overall, it is good in all aspects. So what do you think about this watch? Let us know in the comments below. And I'm Unknown from Greedy Tech. Meet you in the next one.